On this Sunday, I posted a question on this triangle which is 90 degree at a certain point. We need to find x, and the vertical angle on the right hand side is provided 40 degree, and on the left hand side two angles are given as 10 degree. 10 degree means the line passing through is clearly the bisector of the whole angle. We need to find x. No other information is provided about what type of triangle it is or what are the properties of the line passing through. In such cases, either we can get an exact value of x or we can get a range of value of x. X is lying between a and b, x belongs to real number or rational number, like this kind of solution we can get. So let's see what solution we get. Before we start with the solution, let us name the triangle. The vertex is A, left side is B, right corner is C, the intersection point is D, and E as the point of the base of the perpendicular. So first we find out what are the given things we can jot down and what we get the information about the other parts of the triangle. So first we see that angle AEB is also 90 degree, right? So if angle AEB or angle DEB is 90 degree, then what about the angle BAE? Consider on the triangle ABE. Focus on the triangle ABE. In triangle ABE, AEB equals to 90 degree. ABE, that is the total of 10 degree plus 10 degree, that gives us 20 degree. So once angle is 20 degree, one angle is 90 degree. So the remaining angle BAE obviously will be 70 degree. Similarly, in triangle ABD, we have got one angle as 70 degree, already one angle 10 degree is given. ABD 10 degree is given. BAD 70 degree is given. Then what is the value of angle ADB? Obviously 100 minus 70 minus 10, that gives us 100 degree. Sorry, my mistake, 180 minus 70 minus 10, that gives us 100 degree. Now the remaining portion remains then BDE. BD is clearly 180 minus 100, that is 80 degree. So these are the things we can get. Another thing that we have missed out is angle ACE. How we can find angle ACE? We know angle ABC is 10 plus 10, 20 degree. BAC is 70 plus 40 equal to 110. Therefore, ACE or ACB will be 180 minus 20 minus 110, because in angle ABC one angle is 20, one angle is 110, so the remaining will be 50 degree. Clearly it's mentioned in the figure as 50 degree. So what is the relation with x then? X plus angle ACD, clearly note this angle, x plus angle ACD, that is equal to 50 degree. If we can find the value of ACD, then we can clearly get x. Now, what does this x plus ACD equal to 50 means? X is not equal to 50 degree. What I am saying this, that x is not equal to 50 degree, because I have got many answer as x is equal to 50 degree. But no, that's not possible. X cannot be equal to 50 degree because x plus ACD equal to 50 degree, and very clearly from the picture ACD is a triangle, so angle ACD can never be 0 degree, right? So x is not equal to 50 degree, rather x is less than 50 degree. X can take any value less than 50 degree. So far we have got this relation about x, that x can be less than 50 degree. Next, another theory that I am getting, that x is 25 degree. I don't know how people can say x is 25 degree, because CD is not the bisector of angle ACE. We know BD is the bisector of angle ABE. It's given in the problem. But from there we cannot assume that CD is the bisector of angle ACB just because these two lines are meeting. No, it's not given in the problem, and whatever information is not given in the problem, we just for the ease of calculation cannot assume that. So x is also not equal to 25 degree. There is no valid proof against it that CD is the bisector. No, so x is not equal to 25 degree. Next remains the third logic, which I got for the 90% of cases, that BD bisects AE, that is AD equal to DE. how people say BD bisects AE. Clearly from the picture it is quite evident that it's looking like AD equal to DE, but is it given that AD equals to AE? No. From the picture we are saying that it's looking like AD equal to DE, so let us assume BD bisects AE. And what happens when we assume that BD bisects AE? It gives us an ease of the calculation, because AD equals to DE means AE equals to twice DE. So it gives some ease of calculation, calculating tan x or sin x like this. But there is a contradiction here. If AD equal to AE, then the contradiction rises with triangle ABE. How the contradiction rises? In ABE, perpendicular square plus base square gives us the hypotenuse square. Perpendicular is AE, base is BE. So AE square plus BE square equal to AB square. Clearly then, BE is not equal to AB. BE is the base, AB is the hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, base and hypotenuse can never be equal. Now why I am saying this? Question was about AD and DE. Why I got the point, took the point of base and hypotenuse. There is a relation. I am coming to that point. So it's clear that BE is not equal to AB, right? Now, as BD is the bisector of angle ABE, BD is the bisector of angle ABE, so we can apply the theorem of angle bisector of a triangle. And what the theorem of angle bisector of a triangle implies? That the other sides of the triangle are proportional. So if BD is the bisector of angle ABE, which is given, then it's obvious that AD by AB is equal to DE by BE. Note it down. If BD is the bisector of triangle ABE, then the other sides AD by AB of triangle ABD is equal to DE by BE of triangle DBE. If, according to some assumptions, if we assume that BD is the bisector of AE and AD equal to DE, then clearly we get from this relation AB equal to BE, which is the contradiction. I think it's clear how the contradiction rises if we assume AD equal to DE. It's clear that BE cannot be equal to AB, as base cannot be equal to hypotenuse. But if we assume AD equal to DE, it gives us the relation that base is equal to hypotenuse, which is completely absurd. So this is also not possible. AD is not equal to DE. So the third logic which I got for the most of the cases, that BD is the bisector of AE and so tan x equal to half of tan 50 degree, it's not possible. Then what is possible? What things we have got with x? Let us first jot it down. X plus ACD equal to 50 degree. Angle EDC equal to 90 degree minus x. And angle ADC is equal to 90 degree plus x. So all these three relations we are getting with x. No other relations we are getting. So just taking unions of all these relations, we can clearly say x is a value of any real number line that can take between 0 to 50 degree. It is neither equal to 0 nor equal to 50 degree. X can take any value between 0 to 50 degree and x belongs to real line. Thank you for the day. Visit my page gargismathsworld.com and my Facebook page facebook.com/mathsworld and my Twitter page. Thank you.